Hi guys, so today I want to share this dipping sauce that is oh so yummy, and it's inspired by Raising Cane's dipping sauce. For this recipe you're going to need some mayo, some ketchup, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, garlic salt, paprika, and black pepper. Now all we're going to do is give this a good mixing. I recently got a chance to try some Raising Cane's. I won't lie, I wasn't a fan of their chicken, but I loved the sauce, fries, and their bread. So good. But that's it guys. Now you're just going to go ahead and put it into an airtight container. The longer it sits in your fridge, the better the flavor. Yeah, so now you Raising Cane fanatics can make this sauce at home. Yum.